we really suggest that dark gray. We'll go ahead and we showed you how to manually set that. We're going to leave that alone because that has a lot of SEO value that we get into in our WordPress SEO series. So where we're at now, because whatever we do, we're going to want the link. We're going to want all of our link colors basically in the template or in the footer or header. We're going to want that to be white when we do get to setting up footers. So we'll go ahead and we'll take care of that. We'll take care of that right now. So here is where we're at, folks. So we've taken care of this. We've taken care of this right here. We've taken care of the outside color, which is going to bring more focus onto your page content. That's what that's going to do. Now, when we go back, what we're going to do now is let's set up another page. So we're going to go here and we're going to add a new page. And as you remember, there's a difference between pages and posts. Remember, these are your top levels or what you want in your navigation bar. So the next thing that we are going to do is we'll just set up, let's see what we have going on our desktop here. We'll set up a page real quick. And remember, we'll do one on keyword research. So what we're going to do here is we'll just copy these. And let's get back. So we want to copy those. Let's shrink that down again and let's rock out. So we're going to paste this, and actually whether you do this in Word or here is up to you. We recommend, if you're just starting out, to do it in Word. Do your spell check, your formatting. Not that your formatting so much would hold, but we're going to title this because this is about syntax search. So we'll call it, we'll just call it syntax keyword search. And then we're going to change this to the same. And as you can see, let me give you some great advice, not SEO related really. Do post between 450 and 500 words. Just take my advice on that. So we're going to save the draft first. Down here, what you have as a parent page, is just something that will give you a little bit of link juice. We can't really go there with you because that's part of the WordPress SEO series. We'll stay with the default template on this particular post, and then we will go up and we will go ahead and publish this. And let's go to view the page just to see what it looks like. So again, you have this, and right here would be a great place to put an image if that's what you were going to do. But you see that the text is really light again. So we're just going to highlight that, and we're going to go up to our font selector. We're just going to make that a little darker because that's really too light. I don't know what the theme designer was thinking when I don't know what they were thinking when they did that. And here's the page. So right here, here you have it. Here you have it. So if there was some sort of so now we have folks, now we have two pages. Now if you were going to actually set a featured image, you could go to ET template settings, but let's go back to the home page just to kind of see where we're at with building this particular website. So we got our categories here, and we have our home page, which is this, and then we have keyword syntax searches. All we're saying is if you have different products and services, make these links count. Again, make these links count. If you got 4 products, set up 4 different pages for them. We show you how to rock a lot of that to the top of Google, but at the same time, folks, that is what's going on here. So let's go back to all pages. So now you see, as you build posts, they will this they're going in descending or ascending order. Basically, they're going to top to bottom. This is our newest post. This was our home page, which was really cool. So when we go back over here, what we find is we have one post, one blog post so far. So what we're going to do, it's time for us to set up our blog page, folks. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a page. Let's check something real quick. Let's go to settings. Let's go to reading. Let's go to reading. Okay, we're back at reading. So we have a post page, your latest posts. We don't want to do that. But what you see here is we have to set up a post page because we're not going to sub in our blog content for our top level pages. So what we will do is we'll go here to all pages, and then we'll just add a new page, and you can call it you can call it something like that. Knowledge Factory. That's good. So we'll just publish this page, folks, and then we'll go back to settings. We'll go back to reading. So Knowledge Factory. So we're back at our reading settings as we're setting up now. What we're doing, our static page, our top level page, is the one with the video on it, but our post page will be Knowledge Factory. Let us oh man. Okay, blog pages to show at most one. Oh, man, we can't get too into this because that's a part of our premium service with CO. But what we will say is it would behoove you to not have more than one blog post on that page and let them rotate out. That's all we'll say about that. It has huge CO implications. Take our series, folks. We want to tell you so bad, but nevertheless, we're not going to really do that. So now we set up our home page, which is here, right? We've set up our blog page. Let's click on that, and basically our blog pages are going to be here. We're going to go back and do something real quick, and then we set up our syntax, which is another top level page. So our latest, we're just going to leave that as is, and we are going to go to back to let's go to links real quick. So what you have here is this is stuff that comes stock with the WordPress content management system. We're going to delete all of that, and we're going to actually we'll show you how to set up a new link, but we're not going to do that now. When we do that, your blog post will then be assigned to a will be assigned to this as soon as we fix that up. So let's do a quick edit on this and see how that's looking. Looks good. It's published. It's updated. There's going to be no required passwords, and passwords are just like for memberships and those types of things. We also, in our WordPress CO series, we show you how to set up a quick secure membership site that's optimized at its base. So folks, let's get back to our dashboard, and our site is coming along. It's a beautiful thing. So the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to set up some categories here, just so you can understand what this is all about and make the determination if you would actually need it. So also what we're going to do is we're going to set up some pages that are which basically a privacy policy page and a company page. So let's go back. We're not going to do it in this video tutorial series, but what we will do is we are going to add let's go to all pages. You can just go to add new, but we like to always see what we're working with. So we're going to add a new page, and a new page, one is going to be our privacy policy. We got a great tool for that. we have a great tool for that, folks. So this is going to be our privacy policy page where you state your intentions with your visitors. I mean, you just state your intentions. If you're trying to grab email addresses or contact information, if you're going to share them, you got to disclose it. If you don't, you don't. So let's go back to all pages. So we have our privacy policy page set up. So we're going to add one more, and I recommend about us. I recommend an About Us page. It's just really more personal than a company page, and we just think it's a beautiful thing. So we are going to show you how to set that up also, folks. So now that we've added those pages, we'll go back to all pages, and we are well on our way. Let's go to our home page. So as you can see, we're heating up here, folks. We are heating up here. So as we end this video tutorial, you've seen all the things that we've done so far. Now we have links on top, each leading to a place where why we didn't put this through the blog page will become apparent when we get into how to set up your menus and all of those things. So we are headed there, folks. Stay with us, and that ends your video tutorial on page setup for WordPress.